Hello everybody. Today I'm just going to show you how can you improve your business automation using Excel sheet. All right, so we have here um, an Excel sheet. All right, we have here goat milk and dim sum. All right, these are the products that we have: chocolate milk, strawberry milk, original milk, and then we have siu mai as well as kaya pao. All right, so let's say I have customer C. All right, he wants to buy one chocolate, one strawberry, zero original. Right, I'm going to add in. Siu mai he wants 3, and kaya pao he wants 4. All right, and you see it automatically sums up for us the total that he needs to pay, 82.40. All right, so this is something that you can automate using Excel sheet to help you in improving your business automation. All right, I will quickly go into a new sheet. Okay, I'm going to teach us how are we going to use this. Okay, so first hand, I'm just going to create a few columns very quickly. All right, I'm just going to copy a few things. All right, just say we have chocolate, cocoa. All right, before that, I'm just going to teach you what we're going to write here. Okay, so what you need to do is you first hand you can put your customer's name over here. Let's say Ali. We have Ali. All right, so let's say I have a few products. Let's say my first product is goat milk, all right, and I have chocolate. Okay, and how much does your chocolate cost? Okay, for example, I put it a bottle, it's 6 ringgit. Okay, and this chocolate is the quantity, all right, and this is the cost, and this is the total. Okay, so how are we going to get the total? For example, if I'm going to order, Ali's going to order 2. Okay, I'm just going to put here 2 chocolate milk. Okay, and each cost 6 ringgit. How I'm going to total it up? So meaning that I have to take 2 multiplied by 6. Okay, so how am I going to do it? So basically what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to use this formula. Okay, what do? Is I put an equal sign and I click on the quantity, okay, and then I use the star or extrude button, okay, and then I click on the cost of chocolate, okay, and then I press enter. Okay, you can see that it automates, it multiplies itself 2 and 6. All right, so how are we going to multiply to the next 2 rows? All right, so what do we do is when you click on your chocolate total, okay, on the amount, you see a cross. What do? You just pull it all the way down, okay, and then it duplicates itself. Okay, so what you're going to do also for the 6 ringgit is you pull it down. All right, so that's how I do. For example, let's say Mutu, okay, he wants to order 4 bottles of chocolate milk. You see, the autos automatically computes for you as well. Akal, let's say he wants 1 bottle. Okay, so 6 ringgit. Okay, next one, maybe I would use the original. Okay, original flavor. And how much does it cost? Original cost would be, let's say, 550. Right, 550. Okay, for the currency, you can put the currency of your country. Mine is RM, Ringgit Malaysia. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it to duplicate to the rest of the cells, as well as my final column is only total. Okay, if you notice, right, my total are usually in a different color, just to differentiate it between the others. All right, so that's why I put it in different color. So what do we do again? All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, even though there is no quantity at the original cell, is okay. You still can use this formula. What you do first, you just put an equal sign, click on the cell, okay, click on the asterisk button, and then click on the 550. All right, and then enter. Okay, there you go. and I'm just going to drag it down to duplicate the formula. All right, so for example, original Ali doesn't want any original. Okay, I can just put a 0 or leave it empty. Okay, it doesn't change anything. Okay, Muthu wants original. He wants 2 bottles, and Aka wants 4 bottles. Okay, and you see that auto computes. Let's try one more. Let's try. I'm gonna remove this. Let's say remove these cells. That's okay. So I'm going to do this. For example, I have dim sum. Okay, dim sum is morning breakfast for the Chinese. Okay, let's say I have here siu mai. Okay, siu mai. Sorry, over up here, siu mai. Okay, I have siu mai, and the bottom here is as usual is the quantity. Okay, siu mai cost. All right, and then I have here siu mai total. Okay, so now siu mai cost how much? One packet is about 12.50. Okay, what do? I want to duplicate, I just put it down. Siu mai total, put an equal sign. Okay, click on the siu mai and then click on the S, click on the star button, and then click on the cost and enter. Okay, there you go, duplicate it throughout the other columns. Okay, and then to the other row, sorry, and then we put in this number of siu mai. Okay, Ali is Muslim, he can't eat siu mai. Okay, so I'm gonna put it 0. Okay, for Muthu is about he wants about 2, Aka wants 5. Okay, so it computes itself. Okay, and right now at the end, I want to do the total. Okay, how much Ali has to pay in total. Okay, so I'm going to do right here, total. Okay, I'm going to bold it, center merge. All right, so what do? I want to total up these few totals together to get my total sum of my total. Okay, so what do? Again, I use an equal sign. That is the start of every equation. Okay, I just have to click on the chocolate total, and I add the plus symbol, and then I add on the next one, which is the original total. Then I plus again, and the last one is siu mai total, and then you click on the siu mai total and enter. Okay, so it auto computes for you, and that goes to 12. So what you want to do, you're going to duplicate to the rest, and there you go. Automatically, it gives you the total for all the total that you want. Okay, so this is how you can automate your system very quickly without the use of manual inputting and calculating yourself. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.